لا لا ان شاء الله ان شاء الله تحل.
Mr. Today what we will make? Good morning, Mr. Good evening.
Sir, you made me attend, Mister.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you?
Mister, you made a lot of us attendee. I don't know why.
Attendee?
Yes.
Really? No. Not attendee.
Okay. It shows on my screen. It says attendee.
Yes, attendee, yes. What do you want, Karim? I didn't understand. What is
Because in the beginning it made me presenter then attendee. So I thought it was a mistake.
Yes. Maybe something wrong in the system. How are you guys? Good evening. I missed you too much. What can I say? يعني all the.
Good afternoon, Mister.
Good afternoon. Okay. I want to solve. Can you see my screen or not?
Yes, Mister, we can see it.
Yeah, Mr. We can.
Who is talking? Yusuf or Riyad?
Yusuf, Mister.
Where is Riyad? Still absent? This one we solved it yesterday or not, guys? Tell me.
Mister, even if we solved it, can we solve it again?
I
I can't
think no,
remember.
Mister. I think no.
You think no. Okay, can I take it to the board?
Yes, Mister.
Don't worry, Abdurrahman. What are you going to ask me is accepted at all, okay?
Hello, Mr.
Who is talking?
Riyadh.
How are you, Riyad? Where are you?
I'm fine. I'm in Prague.
You are in Prague. What about the internet service level there?
It's really good.
Better than Saudi Arabia?
Yes, by a lot.
Okay.
Wait,
I think
where?
Prague.
What?
Prague,
Prague.
the capital of Czechia. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Here you need to find the reflection in the x, the line x equals -4. Where is the x equals -4, guys? This one. So I can draw it. Where is the x equals -4? This is Okay, I want to. Can you see the line?
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Gamal.
mister.
Okay. Right. Now we will find the image for the points one by one. The first one is what? J, 0 and 3. How can you find the image of 8? Go. How many units? 4 units.
Four.
Yes,
Another
negative. Yes, for negative.
another 4 units. So
Yes.
this is J dash. What is the coordinates of this point?
Mister, I have a question on this one. Mister,
Ah,
I have a question on this one.
yes.
Can you just look at the values and like make it -8 then add 4?
Wallahi, I cannot give you the same rule, Karim, because it will be
But what if I don't have the graph?
complicated for some students. What is the coordinates of this point? We want to see the relation. If we can conclude it, okay. This is what?
J or
Negative.
L? -1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -8
Yes.
and 3.
Yeah. Same.
So, what can you say about the J?
Became.
Multiply this by 2.
I don't know. Maybe.
You want to multiply this by 2 and add it for the 0?
Mister, but what if we don't have a graph, like, or you will not bring without graph?
You can make the rule for the x-axis, the y-axis I can give it to you, and the y equals x. But this one doesn't have a rule. If you want to make the rule, we can. Look, guys, this is 0 and 3 became -8 and 3.
Mr. Why did it become -8?
Count.
Why did we go 8 units to the left?
This is the line of the reflection, okay?
Okay.
Like the mirror. And you are standing here. So the distance between you and the mirror, like the distance between your image and the mirror. Am I correct or not?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
Mr.
Mister,
it
it's
is
because the mirror is 4 and like after it is also 4, right?
Mister,
Yes.
in the book, if you make it minus or something.
In the book, he gave you the rule.
Yeah, I think. I don't know.
What is the rule in the book?
Yeah, he says to reflect a point in the x-axis, multiply the y coordinate by -1.
What I said before 1 minute, yeah, Karim. I told you we have the rules for the y-axis and the x-axis and the y equal x. Did I say that or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For this, guys, the x equals -4. That means what, yeah, Riyad? You will double the distance from the solid and its image. If it is 4 units from the point to the reflection line, you will have another 4. It's equidistant. So this is 4 and this is 4. So how many units you will add? It's 8 units
8.
by the negative, with the negative sign. So -8 plus 0, it is -8. -8, we will try it, Karim, plus -6, -2. It will be what? -10. Okay,
Yes.
this is the point K. What is the image of the point K?
2
1,
and
2.
2. Then
It will be L.
-4, -6, right?
It will be L. So it
It
will
will
be
be -6,
-6,
-1.
and -1. Karim, we don't have a rule for that, Karim.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
This is the K dash, guys. What is the image of L?
Mister, what's this question
Where-
called?
Yes, Abdurrahman.
Where is the reflection in the L? You just put the points.
Yeah, Abdul Rahman. This is the key, Abdul Rahman. How many units between the point and the reflection line? Between you and the
4.
mirror, Abdul Rahman.
4.
How is 4, Abdul Rahman? From K to the reflection line.
Ah, okay. 2. Sorry. 2.
So you have to move another 2 back of the line, left of the line. So it will
Okay.
be here, and the L will be the K, like your right hand and left hand. Your right hand, when you have the mirror, became left, and the right will be what? Right. The L dash will be here. This is the L dash. What is the coordinates of the L dash? -2 and 1. So which answer is correct, guys? -8 and 3. I think this answer. Is it clear? Walid?
Yes,
Walid there?
yes, mister.
Is
Yes.
it clear?
Yes, mister. You said that -2 and 1, but in A is -2 and -1.
Which one? I
A.
am wrong.
Here, yes.
Here
yes.
I wrote it wrong.
Oh, okay.
يعني I can do mistakes يعني I am a human.
Yeah,
Okay?
mister.
But you have to be what?
Careful.
Concentrated with me. If I made any
Yeah.
mistake, you have to tell me. Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Walid. You have any question here, guys? No, mister. Right. Question number 2.
Yes, mister, I meant like this. If we don't have the graph, how do we solve it?
By the way, he's talking about the previous one. He's talking about this. Okay? I'll do it. Don't worry. I
So,
think
so
you have...
the same graph, but without the -4, it's just -2 now. Yes.
Yes, just a minute.
Okay.
Can I
So
erase
do
it?
Control A delete. Control A delete.
No problem, yeah. I am old man. This is y equals 2. Where is the equation of y equals 2? Can we make the line, guys? Y equals 2. I think this is the line, Abdul Rahman.
No, mister. It's
Huh?
up. It's up.
Yes. Very good. Who said it? I think the Manhouri.
Ah, mister, I said it.
No,
Abdul
Mr.
Rahman
Faris.
and
Faris.
Me and Faris.
And I cannot do it perfectly because the line is not... I can put it here. Ah. Yes. Now, can we find the image? For point J, it will be here. J dash or not?
Yes, Mr. J dash.
Okay. K, it will be here or there. 3 units.
can you show the question?
Yes, up, mister.
The same figure, ya Karim.
Yes, but the question is -x equal -2 or y equal -2?
Y equals 2.
Okay, 2. Okay.
Time. The L.
Also, like
So
here?
this is L dash. Can we join the points? It will be like this, guys. So choose any coordinate of this point to choose the correct answer. I'll show the answers for you. Which one is correct? He said the J is what here, Karim? J is what? 0 and what?
0 and no, 0 and 1.
0 and 1. So how many answers you have?
B and C.
Maybe B, maybe C.
Yes.
We want to see another point to determine which one is correct. K. What is the coordinates of K, guys? K dash. K dash. -2 and what? No one answered me. K dash.
I think -2 and 5.
Yes. So which one from the B or C included -2 and
Down,
5?
down. C, Mr. C.
C. Is it clear?
But Mr. Oh, okay. Nothing.
This answer is correct, and this answer is correct. Okay, guys? Any question? No one answered me.
No, Mr.
This one. Yeah, Karim. This one you have a rule for it. If you are making the reflection in the y equals to x, the line y equals to x, you have to flip the location of the points. Look at this figure. If you have -2 and 1, it will be 1 and -2 because you are making the reflection in the line y equals to x. If you have 1 and 8, 8 and 1. 1 and 4, 4 and 1. 4 and 4 will not change because they are the same. What is the rule for making the reflection in the line y equals to x? Switch the location or the coordinates. -2 and 1, 1 and -2, and so on. Okay, can you give me one example, mister, to understand? No here. It is not here. Okay. Muhammad Hadi, you are Hadi today.
I am تعبان.
لا ألف سلامة عليك.
Thank you, Mr.
Doesn't it change? Okay. I think you know the answer is A, but I want to understand why A. Look at this point. This is A and this is B. For example, if you want to make the reflection in the line y equals to x, what is the coordinates of A here, Karim?
The coordinates, it's -1 and -6.
Karim.
Oh, sorry, 6. Sorry, 6.
Karim, count it well.
-1 and 4.
-1 and 4, Karim. Can you flip it, Muhammad Hadi?
4. Aye.
Switch the numbers. Instead of -1 and 4, it will be 4 and -1.
Yes,
What is
and instead of 4 and 4, it will be -4 -4. No, yes, no. It will, instead of 4 and 3, it will be -4 and -3 for CD.
Again, so which answer is correct?
A.
Why A?
Because let's say C and D, 4 and 3, okay?
Yes.
So it will be -4 and -3. So that's
Muhammad, I want to understand why you choose A.
I told you, Mister.
You want to make the reflection on the line y equals to x.
Mister, I got the coordinates of C, okay? I said, what is the coordinate of C, Mister? 4.
C?
Yes, 4 to the right and 3 up.
Yes.
So it will be 4, 3. We'll make it opposite. It will be -4 and -3. Let's see. Okay, it's wrong.
Anyone knows why the A is correct, guys?
I know, Mister.
Yes.
Because Mister, like example A, if you want to make the reflection, like here A, it is -1 and 4. If you flip it, it will be 4, -1.
But if you are talking about the 4 and -1, this is the 4 and -1 here.
Teacher,
Right?
just
No,
move
because
it.
there's a
Move
line.
the A to
Maybe because
the
there's a
left.
line.
This
Right.
line is not y equals x.
Teacher,
This line is not y equals x, guys.
It's a reflection line.
No, this is y equals -x. يا مستر يا مستر رياض يا مستر يوسف. I want to show it to you what is the difference between the two lines. Here, Karim. Can you see this line, Karim?
Yes, yes.
This is the y equals x. But we have what? In this example, the one which you have, it is this line. Am I correct or not?
Yes, yes.
What is the difference between this and this?
One
This is
positive
y
and
equal x, and this is y equals
equal
negative
-6.
x.
Yes.
So that means what? You
Means,
will flip and
turn it
change the
negative.
sign. Yeah, and this one is what, Karim? 1 and 4.
Yes,
Am
it
I
will
correct?
be -4
Flip it.
and 1.
It will be
-4 and 1.
-4 and 1. Again, guys. I cannot write here. I think I can. No. Yes, this is the tools. Kareem, this line is not y equals to x. It is y equals to negative x.
-x.
So the point is what? Which, for example, A is 1 and A, 1, -1, sorry,
1 and
negative
yes,
1 and 4.
1 and 4. So it will be 4 -4 and 1. -4 and
Flip
-1.
and change the sign. It will be
-4 and -1.
-4 and 1.
Wait, we
Riyadh,
change, Mister. We change for the x also or no?
for the y, for both.
We change for both.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Karim. What is the equation of the line? Y will be the negative x. You see?
Yes, but Mister.
What is the y here?
Oh, here is 4, but x is
Multiplied by
-1. Why did he change it?
Look, Karim. This is the point. Oh my God. I cannot draw here. Can I take it out? The reflection needs. Okay. This is the figure. You want to be sure why we changed this one. Yeah, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman,
Yes, mister.
if you want to make the reflection, what can you do? You have to make a perpendicular line like this. And it's I cannot do it with my hand. Okay, I choose the line. This one. Look, Abdurrahman. You will take the line from here. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. From here, Abdurrahman, to here. But it is not perfect. Like here. Is it perpendicular or not, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Equidistant or not? So that means the image of this point, it was 1 and 4, becomes negative 1, negative 4 and 1. So I write the rules here. If you are making the reflection in the y equals to x, ya Kareem, so the x and y will be what, Kareem?
Flipped.
Huh?
It will be switched and
yx on
y.
y and
Yes.
x. Okay, guys? If you have the reflection for the point x and y,
Mister, but why do you change the x and make it positive if it was negative?
yeah, Kareem, I proved it for you here. It is 1 and 4 became negative 4 and 1. Am I correct or not? So you can conclude the rule from it. If you have the reflection here and y equals to x,
Okay.
so it will be y and x. If it is
Yeah.
y equals to negative x, the image will be what, ya Kareem? Negative y and x. Can you complete, Kareem? What is the coordinates of this point? This is a 3 and what?
Yes.
3 and 4.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Follow the rule.
It will be negative
3
4
and
and
4. It will be,
negative 4 and 3.
are you sure negative 4 and 3?
Yes. Yes.
Or negative, oh, yes, Kareem. I think I got your point now. Sorry. It is negative 4. مظبوط Kareem, مظبوط. 3 and 4. It will be negative 4 and 3.
If Mr.
Yes,
Negative is if negative 3 and negative 4, we change it to plus
What is the rule here?
x over y. X,
negative y and x.
yes.
Am I correct? Kareem said this point is the 3 and 4. It will be
Yes.
negative 4 and 3. Where is negative 4 and 3? This
Yes.
is negative 4 and this is
Negative.
3.
Yes. Yes.
Or negative 4 and negative 3.
No, Mr. Negative 4 and negative 3.
Negative 4 and negative 3. Like I wrote it before. That means the x and y will be negative y and negative x.
Okay.
Is it correct now, Kareem? Kareem. Where is Kareem? Write this in the copybook, guys. If you have the reflection for the point x and y in the line y equals to x, it's y and x. If it is y equals negative x, it will be negative y and negative x. Abdurrahman,
Yes, Mister.
can you write it?
Okay, Mister, I'm writing.
Who can give me the rule for the reflection in the x-axis? X and y. Here, x axis. Riyadh,
Yes, mister.
you know this rule or you can conclude it?
No, mister, I'm not sure.
Okay, I'll tell you. Y-axis. Okay. If you have the reflection and the x-axis here, if you have the reflection in the x-axis, so you will change the coordinate of the y. It will be what? x and negative y. If you have the reflection in the y-axis, you will change the sign
No,
of
mister, I remember this. I remember this. You'll just make the
negative
x
x
negative.
and y.
Yes.
Please write all these rules because I am not giving it to you again. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Karim is
What?
where are you, Karim?
I'm here, mister. What's wrong?
I called you many times.
I think I was talking. I think the mic wasn't working.
Type.
I
Karim,
tried to unmute it. It was on
can you
hold.
write these rules, Karim? If the reflection in the
yes.
y equals to x, y and x. If it is y equals negative x, negative y, negative x. Okay?
Okay.
If it is in the x-axis, it's x and negative y. If it is in the y-axis, negative x and y. عايد, is it clear, عايد? عايد is not here. So, now you understand why the answer here is A. This one is 1 and 4. So it will be what? Flip and change the sign. It will be
Yes.
negative 4 and 1 here. The point B, it is 3 and 4. It will be negative 4 and negative 3. Negative 4 and negative 3. It will be here. So the only correct answer is A. You see? This is B dash. This is B
Okay.
dash. Can we try it with the C? What is the coordinate with the C? It is 4 and 3.
Yes, 4 and 3, so it will become negative
Negative
4,
4.
negative 3.
Is it clear? D.
Yes.
D is what? Negative 4 and negative 1.
Yes, 4 and
It will
negative
be
1.
what?
It would be
Negative 1 and negative
1,
4.
negative 4, yes.
So this is the correct answer. Okay, guys? Another example. What is the answer for the first one? This is the coordinates of the quadrilateral points in the y-axis. Follow the rule.
Two.
In the y-axis, you have to change the x-ray coordinate. So it will be 0 and
Yes.
2.
No.
Negative 3 and 4. Negative 4 and 2. Negative 3 and 0. Am I correct?
Is it normal reflection? Or
Yes, Habiba, this is their formula.
I'm
In the
confused?
y-axis.
Can you...
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
In the y-axis.
Okay, yes, yes.
What is it? Y-axis. What do you have to change?
You have to
Only the
change the
sign
negative
of the
x.
x coordinate. So it will be 0 and 2, negative 3 and 4, negative 4 and 2, 3 and 0. But if you want to make the reflection in the y equals 1, I think we have to graph it, ya Karim.
Yes.
This one. This one. This one or what? I think I erased it. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. No. It is here. Can you tell me the coordinates, Abdurrahman? Quickly, can you write it?
Okay, mister. I wrote it.
Because I don't want to go back and go down. I'll try if I can put it in here in this or not.
A is 0 and 2.
خلاص Abdurrahman.
Okay.
Okay? Sorry. Right. What is the first point? 0 and 2. This point. The second point is what? 3 and 4. This is the 3 and this is the 4 up. What is the third point? 4 and 2.
4 and 2. We return back. Oh, no.
Is it correct?
Yes.
The fourth, 3 and 0. Okay? This is the figure. Okay? What is the line, Kareem?
The
the
line is
y-axis.
the y-axis. It's
Okay.
we just make it.
Okay. So this
negative
point will
x.
stay like it. This point, it will be here.
Yes. It will be negative. Hold on.
Negative 3 and
Negative 3 and 4.
okay. As I told you, the second point, this point will
Can I
go
answer?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, just multiply it by negative 1.
Yes,
number.
I know. What about this point?
This point, it will stay the same.
Stay the same. What about this point?
Or multiply the x by negative 1.
It will be negative 3 and 0. It will be here.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Is it correct now, guys? Okay. We want to make the reflection in the y equals 1. Where is the y equals 1? Where is the y equals 1?
It's up.
Up or
Yes.
down?
Y equal 1, it's up.
Up, mister, up.
Where is the y? Oh, sorry. This one, this line.
Yes.
I want to take a line. Y equals 1. No line.
Mister, but you have all of this up. Yani 1 is down, mister.
Y equals 1. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. What is the image of this point? This point. What is the image of this point? This point, guys. It will be here. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I think, yes.
What is the image of this point?
It will be
It
up
will
by
be
1.
here. Okay? We still have 1 point. What is the image of this point? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It will be here. So from here to here. From here to here. Is it clear, Kareem?
So how do you do it? Like do you
This
count?
point? No. I count the units only graphically.
So can you do it again?
Okay. This is the line of reflection.
Yes, it's
Abdurrahman.
y equal 1.
Y equals 1. Now, this is the point which you will find the image of each point. Each point.
Yes.
This point, how many units? So move 1 to the other side.
Okay.
This point, how many units?
1. Move 1.
Move 1 unit in the other side.
Okay.
This point, how many units? 3. Move 3.
Okay.
This unit, how many? 1.
1.
Move 1. Then connect all the points.
It's clear.
Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
We have the last one. Y equals to x. Mentally, who can tell me? Mentally.
I know, mister.
2, 2, 0.
2 and 0, yes.
Yes, 4, 3, 2,
4,
4,
3.
And
2,
0, 3.
4.
0, 3.
So, Kareem, Is my answer for the second one correct or not? Look at
Yes.
the graph. Look at the figure, sorry, and compare the answer with our answer. I put it here, Karim. Huh? Is it the same? 0 and 0? 3
I
and
think
negative 1?
3, yes. -1.
4 and 0?
4 and 0, yes.
3 and 2? Okay? 3 and 2. Which is 3 and 2? From where we got the 3 and 2?
I don't know. It's the 3 and 0, not 3 and 2.
This is the point D. The point D here, 3 and 0. Where is
0.
it? 3 and 0. This point.
Oh,
3 and 0.
no.
This point.
Yes, it's correct.
So, it's, yes. You know why I'm confused? Because I have a problem in my eyes. Stigmatism. You know the stigmatism, guys?
Yes,
No,
yes.
Mr.
Yes.
think.
So I thought this is the x-axis. So I'm surprised why the point is not like the coordinate. So this is the x-axis, guys. Can you
Yes.
see it? This is the
Yes, exactly.
x-axis. Okay. The period finished, Riyadh, I think. Can you open your camera, please?
There is 1 minute left, so.
I want you to
No,
open
it's
your camera,
finished.
please. Open your camera. How are you, Muhammad Hadi? Salamat, Habibi. As we said in Arabic, لا خلا ولا عدم منك يا محمد. Look at the Clasera.
Mister, I'm not really sick, but I have headache, Mister, every day. At the last of the day, Mister, I have had headache.
What do you have here, Karim?
Homework?
Yes. You can start to do it today and the last chance for tomorrow. Okay?
Mister,
Yeah. Is it published or when? How?
Published, yes. You see, what is the published date?
Mister, it's the homework of this lesson.
This lesson and some of the others.
Okay, thank you.
So it's all
Yeah,
the lessons
Mr.
coming for the.
By the way, I want to tell you,
exam?
I'll prepare the worksheet for the materials which included in the final exam. Don't worry, we will solve everything as usual. Inshallah, you will get very, very good mark or excellent marks. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Nice to see you today.
Thank
I'm sorry
you,
for
Mr.
the
Goodbye, Mister. Thank you,
Okay.
Mister.
Thank you,
Bye.
Mr. Bye.
Bye, Riyadh.
Mister,
Thank you, Mister.
Yes.
I left my mistake.
yesterday I was checking my homework, and
What?
yesterday I was checking the homework to my grades in the homework, and the one for reflection, it said I took 8 out of 10, but I got all the questions correct.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, but all of my questions are correct.
Suppose it is 9 out of 10.
No, Mister, do you have? Can you give me your number so I send you the picture of the?
Okay, 0500
Okay.
541. Oh, sorry. Again. 0 5